China has built a massive ship elevator at the Gupatan hydroelectric plant, lifting 500-ton vessels over rugged terrain. This engineering marvel is part of China's strategy to boost electric vehicle exports. While the U.S. debates clean energy, China is enhancing its logistics network to dominate global EV trade. The ship elevator cuts transport times, streamlines inland trade, and accelerates China's rise as a green tech superpower. This innovation is transforming global shipping by overcoming natural obstacles. Stay tuned to see how this game-changing development is reshaping global trade. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into China's economic transformation. The Gupatan Dam stands as one of the tallest in the world, measuring an impressive 232.5 meters. Completed in 2009, its primary purpose was to generate 3,000 megawatts of hydroelectric power. However, its true innovation lies in its ability to move vessels over rugged terrain. The dam features a massive ship elevator that can lift vessels by 100 meters to bypass impassable mountainous rivers. This system revolutionizes the transport of goods, including electric vehicles and heavy machinery, across previously unreachable regions. By unlocking new trade routes, it not only aids rural development, but also accelerates the delivery of goods from inland factories to global ports. The Gupatan Dam's capabilities go beyond infrastructure. It's a strategic move. While the West debates green energy transitions, China is already constructing the logistical backbone to transport green products at scale. This system solidifies China's position as a leader in green technology and global trade efficiency. You might be surprised to learn that the idea behind this high-tech ship elevator is ancient. It's based on a principle developed over 2,000 years ago by the Greek mathematician Archimedes, who discovered that the buoyancy of an object is equal to the weight of the water it displaces. China has taken this simple yet powerful concept and scaled it up to an astonishing degree. A prime example is the Three Gorges Dam, one of the world's largest and most ambitious engineering projects, located on the Yangtze River. Built using 37 million cubic yards of concrete, the dam has transformed energy generation and water transportation across China. However, it's the ship lift at the dam, inaugurated in 2016, that truly steals the spotlight. This hydraulic marvel can lift vessels weighing up to 3,000 metric tons to a height of 113 meters in just 40 minutes. Let that sink in. 3,000 tons, 113 meters, and only 40 minutes. Located in Yichang, central China's Hubei province, the Three Gorges shiplift is nothing short of a technological marvel. At first glance, it doesn't resemble an elevator at all. It looks more like a futuristic skyscraper planted on the banks of the Yangtze River. But this imposing structure is, in fact, the largest and most advanced shiplift ever built. According to Huang Xing, a senior executive at Wuchang Shipbuilding Industry Group, the firm responsible for constructing the lift, this engineering feat surpasses every similar system around the globe by a factor of 1.5 to 3 in terms of size, lifting capacity, and height. For comparison, Belgium's Strapitue boat lift lifts 1,000 tons over 70 meters, and Germany's Lüneburg-Elbe-Seitenkanal lift handles 1,350 tons over 38 meters. China's lift, on the other hand, can raise 3,000-ton vessels to a staggering height of 113 meters. But this isn't just about size, it's a masterclass in efficiency and safety. The lift chamber is supported by 4 symmetrical gear and rack systems that eliminate the risk of swaying or tilting due to water movement. Even in the event of an earthquake, seismic forces are absorbed by the structural columns, ensuring that ships and their cargo remain stable and secure throughout the journey. China's ship lifts offer a major competitive advantage in terms of speed and logistics. Traditionally, moving ships across large dams using multi-tiered locks could take 3 to 4 hours. But with the introduction of advanced ship elevators, the same process now takes just 40 minutes. This dramatic time reduction is a breakthrough for supply chains, especially for transporting electric vehicles and their heavy batteries. Manufacturing hubs in central and western China can now quickly send products to eastern ports for export, slashing costs and delivery times. This high-speed vertical transportation system enables China to distribute EVs more efficiently than ever before. In a global market where rapid delivery and large-scale output matter, China's logistical edge could shift the balance of power, helping it outpace competitors like the United States. The Three Gorges project is far more than just the world's largest power station. It's a multifunctional water management system that is revolutionizing trade and transportation in China. Stretching 2,309 meters in length and standing 185 meters high, the dam is equipped with 5-tier ship locks on both sides and houses 34 turbo generators capable of producing a massive 22.5 million kilowatts of electricity. But what truly sets it apart now is the addition of the advanced ship elevator, which has transformed the dam into a gateway for future-proof logistics. According to the Three Gorges Navigation Authority, the dam achieved a shipping throughput of 84.15 million tons in just the first half of the year, an all-time high. Over its 20 years of operation, the system has moved 1.91 billion tons of cargo and facilitated nearly 1 million vessel crossings, with more than 12 million passengers. With the new elevator in place, throughput is accelerating rapidly, setting new standards in global waterborne trade. China's rapid emergence as a global electric vehicle superpower is not a coincidence. It's the result of calculated planning and massive infrastructure development. While other nations are still locked in debates over climate policies, China is actively constructing the logistical backbone needed to lead the green revolution. One key piece of this strategy is the ship elevator system, which forms part of a broader, highly coordinated distribution network. These massive ship lifts enable vessels to traverse mountainous terrains quickly and efficiently, cutting hours off traditional transport times. Simultaneously, inland hydropower stations provide clean energy to power EV manufacturing plants, ensuring sustainable production. Ultra-fast river shipping routes have been optimized to bypass the slower and more congested land transport networks, significantly reducing delivery times. Once EVs and their components reach coastal ports, they are exported to global markets with unprecedented efficiency. This system is a powerful message to the world. China doesn't just manufacture electric vehicles, it has engineered a nationwide system to move them smarter, faster, and farther than anyone else. The growing gap between China and the U.S. in infrastructure and energy strategy is a serious concern. While the U.S. debates clean energy policies and moves slowly on infrastructure, China has already reaped the benefits of years of development. A major advantage for China is its advanced ship lift systems, like the one at the Three Gorges Dam, enabling rapid, cost-effective inland shipping of goods, including electric vehicles, a capability the U.S. lacks. This makes U.S. transport slower and more expensive. Additionally, China's reliance on clean hydropower plants like Three Gorges and Gupitan powers EV factories, contrasting with the U.S. grid's continued dependence on fossil fuels. This dual advantage in logistics and energy allows China to dominate the global EV market, producing more, moving faster, and selling cheaper. If the U.S. doesn't accelerate its efforts, it risks being left behind in the race for global green manufacturing and smart infrastructure. In conclusion, China's ship elevators are not just technological marvels. They are the backbone of the country's strategy to dominate the global electric vehicle market. By drastically cutting transport times and enhancing logistics efficiency, China is moving its EVs faster and more cost-effectively than any other nation. Can America catch up with China's rapid infrastructure development? If the U.S. doesn't accelerate its efforts, could it risk being left behind in the race for global green manufacturing supremacy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found the video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analysis on how China's innovations are shaping the global economy.